Would you take a look at this? J-Max has had this cruiser for a week and look how far it's come. Now the best part about this whole build is Newlon are going to be giving one lucky person the keys to drive away with this cool vehicle. Well, Jace, it looks like an absolute work of art, mate. There's no doubt you've been really busy in the last week. Why don't you run through exactly what you've done to the Newlon 79?
So probably if we start at the beginning, we've obviously removed the rear end of the car. We've manufactured and fitted a brand new chassis section. So we've upgraded all of that, upgraded the tow hitch as well, as you can see, provision for a rear winch. So all of that to upgrade to the specs. We've run a chassis brace kit that runs all the way under the front of the car as well to upgrade that chassis to do what we're asking it to do. We've upgraded the differential, corrected the track, upgraded the brakes, the exhaust. We've done the airbag assist, all on coils, so no more leaf springs, they're all gone.
Yep.
Optioned this guy up with a Brown Davis tank, so 185 litre fuel tank.
Wow.
Axles, chromoly axles.
So I guess one of the big exciting parts of this build is the GVM increase. So these come standard with 3,300 kilo, and what you've taken this up to 4.5 tonne?
4495, so we're just sitting underneath that heavy vehicle category. So 4495 with a brake tow capacity of 4,000 kilos.
Mate, that's got to be an Australian first.
It is the first of its kind, and with all of these rules we're seeing now with GVMs and GCMs, these are the types of things we need to do to get it to that level.
Mate, and I'm just looking here, I see this shiny exhaust. What have you done to get a little bit more power out of this 79?
Okay, so what we've done is we've gone to the guys at Torque It, and they've manufactured for us a 3.5 inch 304 stainless steel exhaust system. We've also added their power module, so given that engine a bit more go, and also their pedal torque module, so we can make that truck more responsive as well on the throttle.
So it'll be a dream to drive as well.
It will be, yeah. So a good power increase, plug and play system, so nice and simple, very good system.
This really is going to be the ultimate tourer.
Correct, it will be. It's a first of its kind, so it's going to be a standout in the market.
Mate, look, you've done a fantastic job, but there's one thing you haven't quite done.
What's that?
That's give me the keys, mate, because after it leaves J-Max, Newlon have decided to put on the ultimate canopy setup. They've gone all out on this canopy. They're going for a Norweld full canopy, and when you see this, mate, it's going to absolutely blow you away. It's going to be the ultimate tourer once we put that canopy on. Looking
forward to see it finished, and yeah, fun times.
Here's the keys. I can't believe you trusted me with them. Now for the mod I'm most excited about. Newlon are going all out on the canopy build. This is going to be epic. They're not just slapping any old canopy on this either. Newlon wanted to go to the next level. That's why they've hit up Norweld to build a proper drill-worthy setup for this cruiser. Yep, they look unreal, but the real reason they're so sought after is how they're built. These canopies are designed and developed for a lifetime of off-road use, and just one look at the fully welded construction and all the bracing that goes into the framework will show you just how tough these things are. They've actually designed a canopy to perfectly suit the new upgraded chassis from J-Max. And have even built an inner framework specifically to house an upright fridge. Norweld use every bit of their 40 years experience to create the canopy that you see today. It's built right here in Australia, and just wait until you see the finished product. Here's something you don't see every day, a canopy actually getting installed. Take a look at the amount of work that goes into getting it fitted perfectly and getting the 12 volt spot on. Well, would you take a look at that? The Norweld canopy is complete, and what an absolute work of art it is. Now to think all this hard work, top quality gear, kitting it out so it's touring ready and track ready, so one lucky four-wheel driver can win it. Get a load of inside of this canopy now. All the 12 volt has been done. Now the heart of this 12 volt system is a Redarc Manager 30, so it pumps 30 amps worth of charge into the auxiliary battery here to run all the camp lights, water, all the different things, including the Dometic 65 litre upright fridge freezer. Now that's a work of art in its own right. Then of course you've got a slide out table, you've got drawers, you've got storage absolutely everywhere, and it's all been compartmentalised. You really do have a place for all your camping gear. It's really organised, so when you get to camp, all you need to worry about is to open this up, get a cold one out, and enjoy your time off-road. Would you get a load of the rear of this canopy? Now obviously there's provisions for 2 spare tyres, now which is pretty important when you start to travel in remote areas around Australia. Now there's a drop down ladder so you can easily access the roof of this canopy and onto the vehicle. Also storage, will have thought of that too, because underneath there's a full trundle tray drawer which goes all the way down to a water tank which is also underneath the tray. So they really have thought of everything and maximised all the available space on this vehicle to make what I reckon is the ultimate touring 79. Now remember, this Newline 79 could be yours. Now entry to this competition is for free, but if you want to increase your chances, simply purchase any Newline product from participating auto stores and you'll get a bonus 20 entries. Now how good is that? So simply get the gear you need to service your vehicle and you can be driving away in this beast of a four-wheel drive. In the next episode, and you get your first look at some custom bar work that we're fitting to this Land Cruiser. To enter and for full details on the giveaway and terms and conditions, head to newline79.com.au.